on Sunday I'm flying to Korea. I was crashing out. I know I'm overcoming something right now. Good morning, hello, welcome to the video that I already know is going to be chaotic because ever since I woke up today, I've been feeling all the feelings. Basically, it's Monday today, and on Sunday I'm flying to Korea. I know, exciting, but this is the first time I'm flying for so long and like so far away. I've been on a plane a handful of times. Most recently last year when I flew to Copenhagen with a friend, and then to Gothenburg also with another friend. So I've only traveled Europe so far. Yeah. And the other times I've been on a plane was when I was a child and when we went to London a few times. That's as far as I went. And now I'm going to South Korea, which is crazy to me. And yeah, I've been feeling all the feelings this morning. I have a busy day today. I just finished my last Korean lesson before the trip. Now I will book some last minute things like the train to Warsaw and a hotel room because my flight is on a Sunday morning and I'm gonna get to Warsaw on Saturday, so I just have enough time. Yeah, so that's what I'm gonna do now. And then I'm just gonna visit my grandma for a bit because I haven't been there in a while. Then go to the shop to buy some like travel sized toiletries and things. And then I think a couple of my friends are coming over because we also have not seen each other in a few months, I think. Yeah. So not sure how much I'm going to film. That's the plan. I'm gonna book things that I need to book now. And also, just a side note, I've done my makeup for the first time in a very long time, and for the first time in months, I've done mascara on my eyelashes, and I also did a lip combo that I really like. I'm kind of trying out different things, different makeup products that I own, even trying to wear clothes that I don't wear as often, just to like kind of figure out what I like, what I don't like. So yeah, I hope you like my makeup because I think it's really pretty. It's simple, but it's very pretty. So yeah, gonna catch up with you later on. Well, yeah, some time passed. It's actually Wednesday. So quick catch up. Monday, I was busy. Like, I don't remember the last time. I didn't do much in the day, but I went shopping and then I went to see my grandma, and then I met with a couple of my friends, and I just felt my my social battery was drained by the evening. And yesterday was a stressful day because we were kind of figuring out some like flights and kind of like last minute things. I also did not pick up my camera because I was crashing out. I was so stressed yesterday. And then when it kind of got sorted out, I just felt so sleepy. And the only thing I had the energy for was to start creating like lists. I mean, actually, I downloaded Navy Maps because I heard they work the best in Korea. So yeah, that's what I did. And now I'm just marking all of those cafes, restaurants, things we want to see to kind of know what our plan is and like figure that out. But I have a few things that I want to share with you. You may call this like a haul, and I'm going to start with the most exciting things first. Basically, I wasn't sure what shoes I should bring with myself since I have like one pair of sandals which I don't really like, and then I saw these. Aren't they just like the most perfect pair with the platform and the leather? I love them so much. I got them yesterday and I've already went on like a little walk to kind of test them out, and I plan to go on a walk again today. Yeah, getting those steps in so that I don't die in Korea. There's a lot of stairs, so I'm sure my legs are not going to be the happiest, but I'm gonna get through it. The second thing is, well, I kind of needed this. Basically, we have like 2 hair dryers between like me and my mum, and both are too heavy, and the one that I use is just too big to travel with. So I got myself, this is not a Dyson. It looks like a Dyson, but it's not. I got it from AliExpress. It does the job, it's light, and it's gonna be my go-to travel hairdryer. And then I just have a lot of bits and bobs. Like, I have a new hair clip because I don't really have a small one. I only have like big ones, so I decided to buy it. Then I have a new, just, what is it called? A new chapstick, yeah. A new chapstick. It's nice, it's hydrating. And then just a whole bag of things. A lot of containers of different size and a different kind. And some mini products like shaving gel, mouthwash, even more containers. What else? A toothpaste, a mini toothpaste. Anything else? Yeah, oh, the one thing that I'm very excited about, because I'm not gonna be taking my, like, the big perfume bottle that I have. So I bought like a tiny container for it that is like especially for perfumes. That's what I've been up to. Just ordering things and making sure I have everything that I need. I sorted through some clothes that I have in my wardrobe today to kind of figure out what I want washed before I go. And like, I still have a lot of time, but I'm just, thinking what I need. I'm actually probably going to make a list at some point today or tomorrow of everything that I'm gonna pack. If anything interesting happens, I'm gonna pick up the camera and I'm gonna let you know. So I'll catch you later on. Good morning. I have not picked up the camera in a few days' time. I've been busy packing and basically I'm leaving in like a little bit over an hour, I think. My uncle is driving me to the train station and then I'm going to Warsaw to spend the night there, and in the morning to go to the airport, as I mentioned before. And it hit me today that I'm actually going. I cried a little bit in the morning. I never expected to feel this many emotions while getting ready for this trip. I know I'm overcoming something right now. Something that will allow me to travel more in the future. It feels really, really hard right now. But I know I have to push through it, and I want to push through it, so yeah, gonna finish packing, and I'm probably going to talk to you when I'm in Warsaw. I never expected to feel so confused right before this trip. I've dreamed of going to Korea for a couple of years, and it always seemed a bit impossible to me. Even after buying plane tickets and booking hotels, I didn't feel like it's actually happening. I felt like I imagined all of it, or like I was in a dream. And then, those couple of days before the flight, something changed. I finally understood that it's all real, and it scared me. I was so scared about the flight and the logistics of it all. Deep down, I also feared that I wouldn't like it, that the Korea I fell in love with wasn't real. Looking back at all of this, with all the knowledge I have now, I know that this trip healed me and changed my life forever. The start was really rough, but it was worth it in the end. I'm in Warsaw, as you can see. In advance, sorry for all the noises, but I actually can't close the window and I'm sitting in front of it to have some natural lighting. But yeah, I've been in Warsaw for quite a few hours, but I've just been tired and I honestly just needed to eat and lay in bed, which I did. I have this cozy little room for myself. I'm gonna have a very early night. It's like 7:30 p.m. and I'm getting ready for bed because I can already feel that I'm getting sleepy. I slept only 6 hours last night, and that just means that, yeah, I want to sleep 8 today in order to be ready for tomorrow for a full travel day. Anyway, someone started speaking through a microphone outside, so I'm going to do my skincare now. I'm kind of ready to head out. Feels crazy. I feel crazy. I'm kind of nervous still, but I've got this. I've got this. Yeah. I'm gonna talk to you again in Korea, and that will be in my next video. So, yeah. See you in Korea.